We have some common pieces across many of the tools on the next generation HyperWorks. You'll see the Move tool for translating and rotating, or the Vector tool for defining a vector or plane orientation. To use the Move tool, grab any arrow or plane to move in that direction. You can type specific values or drag and snap with the mouse. If you need to ignore snaps for a bit, hold the Alt key. You can also grab an arrow tip to rotate freely about the origin, or grab the origin itself to move in 3D space. When clicking the origin, you can also realign the tool quickly using these buttons. To reposition the tool at any time, hold Shift or double-click it. The Move tool turns orange when repositioning. This lets you move the tool around without affecting your model. For example, if you need to change the center of rotation or choose a specific origin for translation. While repositioning, you can also toggle the Align to Part button to automatically realign the tool as you move around your model. To use the Vector tool, grab any handle to reorient it. Grabbing the arrow handle lets you define a vector between any two locations, and grabbing the plane handles lets you define the plane using any three locations. Grabbing the base handle moves the origin without affecting the current orientation. To align the Vector tool quickly, hold Ctrl and click on any two locations to define a vector or any three locations to define a plane. Clicking any handle lets you edit its coordinates, and use these buttons to flip direction quickly, translate and rotate your vector using specific values, input vector components, and orient to your camera view, normal or parallel.